Back here to home. We are in verdict watch in the William Husel murder trial. Any minute now, the jury could deliver a decision on the doctor charged in the patient overdose scandal. Many of you have been watching this play out on 10 TV and at 10tv.com for more than 2 months now. Chief investigative reporter Bennett Haberly is live at the courthouse with what the jury is weighing. Bennett.
Tracy, good afternoon. We learned that the jury in this case is going to be able to consider murder, and if they believe that the state did not prove that case beyond a reasonable doubt, they can consider the possibility of the lesser included offense in this case, which is attempted murder. The jury began its deliberations shortly after 10 a.m. this morning. As he has done every morning over the course of the past 8 weeks, Dr. Husel walked into court flanked by his wife and legal team shortly before 9 this morning. Judge Michael Holbrook then dismissed a mistrial motion that was filed by defense attorney Jose Baez late yesterday afternoon. He then spent about an hour reading the charges and the instructions to the jurors, walking them through the relative terms associated with this case, including comfort care and palliative care. And then he explained to them how they're supposed to weigh the evidence, what weight they're to consider for the evidence, the testimony, the expert witnesses in this case, and whether or not how they will go about determining if Dr. Husel is guilty or not guilty of murder or that lesser included offense of attempted murder. Throughout this trial, prosecutors have alleged that Dr. Husel's orders of fentanyl were excessive, so excessive that they either outright killed or hastened the deaths of these 14 patients under his care. His defense says the patients' underlying illnesses and their removal from life support are the reasons for their deaths, not Dr. Husel's drug orders. And now we're in the position of the waiting game. We wait. Judge Michael Holbrook has told the jury that they have wide latitude to determine their own course of action. It could be that they determine that they're going to deliberate only for a few hours today, and then they can decide to go home. They can work up to midnight if they want to. This is a very complex case. There are, of course, 14 counts of murder, 14 different patients. We anticipate the jury may have a question or two, and at this time, if that happens, they'll have to come back into court. That question will be read aloud, put on the record, and then a written answer will be provided for the jury. Of course, if there are any developments, we'll keep you updated both on air and online at 10tv.com. For now, reporting live inside the Franklin County Courthouse, Bennett Haberly, 10 TV News.
All right.